Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the United Bank app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly get started. So the United Bank app gives customers a smooth digital banking experience with all the essentials: checking balance, transferring money, depositing checks, paying bills, and sending funds with selling. It also supports Face ID, Touch ID login, and include a built-in money management tools to track spending, link account, and set saving goals, which make it a practical all-in-one app for managing finances. However, some users report occasional glitches with the mobile deposit and navigations. The United savings rate aren't as competitive as online-only banks. While the app works well for everyday banking, it may not be the best choice if you are after top interest rate or advanced investment features. So in conclusion, the app still worth using for customers who want a convenient mobile asset, but not a standout option compared to digital first bank app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.